A very good morning to all of you, all the second year student. Today we will see the next penicillin. You know the penicillin is the first antibiotic is found by the Alexander Fleming. It was discovered in 1928 by Alexander Fleming and it is used for clinical purpose in 1941. You know the chemically penicillin is a thiazolidine ring connected with the beta-lactam ring to attach the side chain, or the side chain determine the antibacterial activity and the pharmacological activities depend on the structure. Now today we will see the penicillin antibacterial activity. How is act in the antibacterial? Generally penicillin is act as a bactericidal. Penicillin is act as a bactericidal, means it's kill the bacteria. Cidal means penicillin kill the bacteria, hence it is called as the bactericidal. It is penicillin, it is effective. Penicillin, it is effective against gram positive bacteria and gram negative bacteria. Hence it is called as broad spectrum antibiotic. Broad spectrum antibiotics. Now penicillin is called as a broad spectrum antibiotic. Why? Because they effective the both gram positive and the gram negative. Penicillin act as a bactericidal. It is kill the bacteria. It is a antibacterial activity. Now let's see the mechanism of action. See the mechanism of action. The penicillin especially it is inhibit the synthesis of bacterial cell wall penicillin inhibit the synthesis of bacterial cell wall synthesis. They can inhibit the cell wall synthesis. Thus, the multiplication of normal cell cannot take place. Their normal cell wall due to defective their normal cell wall due to defective formation of cell wall. Formation means defective, that is oozing. The capacity there, the oozing of the cell wall. That should be, the cell wall should be very thin, and it's a burst, and bacteria, next is a bacteria die. Now how is the perform the bacteria is die? See, penicillin act as a bactericidal. They kill the bacteria. Now how they kill the bacteria? The penicillin inhibit the synthesis of cell wall of bacteria. जो न्यू बैक्टीरिया, वन बैक्टीरिया कन्वर्ट टू द सेकंड बाय यूजिंग द सेल वॉल मल्टीप्लिकेशन, तो ये दूसरे से होता है. बट व्हाट हैपन, जो सेल वॉल दूसरा तैयार होता है बैक्टीरिया, वो जो सेल वॉल है वो डिफेक्टिव फॉर्मेशन होता है फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल सेल वॉल. अभी ये सी, ये बैक्टीरिया है, ये सेल वॉल है. Are you getting? Now see that this is the cell. These are the cell wall. Now this is a cell wall. Is a bacteria. ये बैक्टीरिया है. ओके, ये पूरा that is a normal cell wall. ये normal cell wall है. Now what happened? The penicillin, what did they do? The penicillin it's act as a inhibition. पेनिसिलिन तो क्या करता है? इनिबिशन ऑफ बैक्टीरियल सेल वॉल. दे फॉर्म अ डिफेक्टिव. नाउ हियर इज दिस here this cell wall, it should be the, here is a oozing defective formation. It should be the defective formation, the cell wall. That cell wall multiplication the another bacteria, but here is this cell wall of the normal bacteria, they form a defective. ये ठीक है, यहाँ पे thin, they are called as oozing the cell wall. A cell wall should be oozing, and next should be the influx of excess calcium, and then bacteria should be the burst, and this should be the burst. Is bacteria should be the burst and die the bacteria. This is the mechanism of action of cell wall. Penicillin inhibit the formation of new cell wall synthesis. That is a mechanism of action. See how the penicillin act as a bactericidal. Penicillin formation of synthesis of the cell wall of bacteria. Multiplication take place, but they form a defective. Multiplication नहीं होता, यहाँ पे defective cell wall form किया, and that's having the properties oozing the cell wall. They should be the, as compared to this one is very thick and is very thin. It automatically it should be the oozing. Oozing means पतला हो जाना. Finally it should be the burst. वो burst हो जाता, and after the burst, and then the cell, bacteria cell is dead, and automatically they are killed. The bactericidal, it act as a bactericidal. This is the mechanism action of penicillin. Penicillin is effective against gram positive, gram negative, but it is not effective against fungus, yeast. It is not effective against penicillin. Penicillin not effective against the fungi, yeast, virus, you know, the coronavirus, and rickets. It is not effective, but they effective against the gram positive, gram negative. That's why it's called as a broad spectrum antibiotic. Now penicillin should be next, should be the unit, preparations and the dose. Now usage of the penicillin. Penicillin G generally used. Penicillin G. Penicillin G is commonly used in the antibiotic. Penicillin G always used as a sodium. Penicillin G, sodium penicillin G. It's a water soluble. It contain sodium penicillin G. It contain 1667 units per mg. 1 unit it contain 0.6 microgram of penicillin. Unification of the penicillin, that is penicillin having the 1667 unit per mg. 1 unit contain the 0.6 microgram. Now the penicillin G is water soluble extremely. It contain the preparations and the dose. Afterwards you can discuss. Okay, now see the adverse effect. Adverse effect of penicillin G. Commonly it's having the most common reaction is the hypersensitivity reaction. Hypersensitivity reaction. In the hypersensitivity reaction, penicillin G is hypersensitivity reaction. The most is occurring in the skin rashes. Commonly it should be the skin rashes. Before is given the skin test is performed. Skin test, it consists of scratching the skin and drop of the benzoyl penicillin 1 ml contain the 10,000 unit they put and see the local edema. When if is will due to the local edema after 15 minutes, the person having the allergic, that is skin test. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Skin test. How is perform? Skin में उसको लगाते, क्रैश करते थोड़ा सा, वहाँ पे पेनिसिलिन इंजेक्शन देते और वहाँ पे 15 मिनट में इडिमा जनरेट हुआ, स्किन रैशेस और इडिमा जनरेट हुआ, द पेशेंट हैविंग द एलर्जी, उसको बोलते पेशेंट को एलर्जी है तो उसको बोलते कीन टेस्ट. नाउ दे आर हैविंग द स्किन रैशेस. नाउ हाउ यू परफॉर्म? यू कैन डू द स्किन टेस्ट. आप उसको अप्लाई करते वहाँ पे स्क्रैचिंग करते स्किन को और वहाँ पे इंजेक्शन देते 1 यूनिट ऑफ पेनिसिलिन. मीन्स नॉट 1 यूनिट, 10,000 यूनिट ऑफ बेंजाइल पेनिसिलिन. benzyl penicillin G is applied per ml. इस ये अप्लाई करते स्किन पे स्क्रैच करके एंड देन दे गेट, और इसमें दे गेट द लोकल इडिमा विदिन कितने, विदिन 15 मिनट्स. 15 मिनट्स में विदिन 15 मिनट्स उसको बेटा करे थे. 15 मिनट में लोकल इडिमा आया और रैशेस आया और सर्कल विल डेवलप हुआ. सर्कल, दैट इज द पेशेंट सफरिंग फ्रॉम द allergic to the penicillin G. Benzyl penicillin G is having allergy, but after is given no local edema is formed, penicillin is there is no allergy, no local edema, no allergy, and it is used for the antibiotic. That is a skin test. That is the most common adverse effect, the skin rashes, hypersensitivity reaction. Sometimes he is having the laryngeus. Second adverse effect is the laryngeal edema. Laryngeal edema. He is having the swelling in the your larynx, sound is should be there. Sometimes is caused the hypotension. ये होने के बाद में hypotension and death is occur. Okay, that is an allergic reaction. And others common adverse effects. It's a very common adverse effect. Now other the common adverse effects are nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and the pain at the site of infection. Pain at the site of infections. The symptoms are show this should be the convulsion or confusions. Okay, now these are the adverse effects. Now the next is a preparation and dose. Sodium or potassium penicillin G available in the the dry form, available in the dry forms. When need, you mix with the water for injection. It is given by the root, subcutaneous, commonly intramuscular or IV. It is less effective. It is not given orally, because penicillin is inactive. Penicillin is generally applied in the subcutaneous, intramuscular, intravenous, but it is not given orally because it should be either having inactive. Why is inactive? Because it having the rapidly hydrolyze. Earlier I told penicillin comes in contact with the water, it is rapidly hydrolyzed by acid of the stomach. में जाते ही हाइड्रोलाइसिस हो जाएगा उसका, then it should be the inactive. That's why it is not given orally penicillin. Sometimes reason as penicillin is not given orally. That the reason. Penicillin when need, that time you can use in the dry form is a stable form. When it comes in the contact with the water, it is inactive by penicillinase enzyme. That's why it is when need, that time you can use it. Okay, penicillin. Now the usual dose of penicillin G is 2 to 4 lakh units every 4 hours. Penicillin G is given by 2 to 4 lakh unit by 4 hours. Okay. The Procaine penicillin G. Now so many injections is there. Penicillin G from prolong the action by the Procaine penicillin G. They are used the 5 to 10 lakh unit. It is given by intramuscular once or twice in a day. That is a dose. Okay. Now the penicillin, it is used in the eye ointment. Penicillin, it is used in the commonly is the eye ointment. It is also ointment. As per IP, it is given by 2000 units, okay, per gram. Now see the next. Another example of synthetic penicillin. Okay. Synthetic penicillin example is methicillin. They are the synthetic, semi-synthetic penicillin. Synthetic semi-synthetic penicillin methyl C is given. It is given dose. It is given intramuscular or intravenous IV dose. The dose is given 1 gram every 4 to 6 hours. Commonly used in the chlorhexidine. It is used 0.5 gram to 1 gram every 4 to 6 hours. For child, the dose are used 50 mg per kg daily. They are the semi-synthetic. Okay. Now the next, it is generally penicillin act as a broad spectrum antibiotic because they effective gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Now the next is a example of the and another antibiotic of is a common are used ampicillin. It is active against the all organism sensitive to penicillin G and also effective in the gram negative organisms. Penicillin is general antibiotic. It is broad spectrum antibiotic. It is effective against. It is active against all organisms sensitive to penicillin G. Okay, it is available in the tablet, capsule, oral suspension generally, and injections. It is given orally and intraperitoneally IV. The dose is given 250 to 500 mg per 6 hours. Dose for child, it is given 25 to 50 mg per kilo per day for the ampicillin. The ampicillin having the common adverse effect, common side effects is cause diarrhea. Is important. Penicillin is common side effects are diarrhea. And then next is amoxicillin. Very safest, cheap and it is active against the all organisms. As compared to the penicillin and ampicillin, is amoxicillin is goose. They don't have the major adverse effect. The food amoxicillin food does not interfere with its absorption and as compared to ampicillin, the less incidence of diarrhea, बहुत कम होता है diarrhea when it's a very, and amoxicillin is the best antibiotic. Okay, now see the therapeutic uses of penicillin. अभी पेनिसिलिन किसके लिए यूज़ करते हैं अपन जनरली, दैट इज थेरापेटिक यूजेस. Therapeutic uses of penicillin. Penicillin commonly used in treatment of pneumonial infection. It is used pneumococcal infection. It is used as condition of the pneumonia. Pneumonia means inflammation of the lungs is take place, and exudation and concealing of the inflammation of the lungs is difficulty in the breathing is occur. Pneumonia, it's very dangerous. Nowadays COVID is going on, that is a generate the pneumonia. HRCT you are used with that HRCT, use the test for COVID, that is a part of the pneumonia. And sometimes doctors say patient not suffering the COVID, they say the SARI. The SARI means severe acute respiratory syndrome. That is called the SARI. That is a part of pneumonia. It's acute the pneumonia. That is a pneumococcal infection take place in the lungs, inflammation of the lungs, and difficulty in the breathing, and patient should be the dead. Severe inflammation take place. Okay. It is used in treatment of pericarditis, that is the inflammation of pericardium, of the outer layer of the heart. Inflammation of pericardium, that is a outer layer of their protective layer, outer layer of the heart. Their heart should be the protected, that get the inflammation. These also used in the pericardium. It is used in treatment of meningitis. That inflammation take place in the brain, and then the suffering from the meningitis. Your all activity should be the slow down. Next should be, it is used in treatment of pharyngitis. That is pharynx is your throat should be having the sore inflammation, psoriasis of the throat में अल्सर होना, थ्रोट में बर्न होना, और द inflammation of throat. These are commonly used. It is used in treatment of, sometimes they are used in treatment of arthritis. Easy, the joint pains is occur, arthritis. It is used in treatment of venereal disease, such as, which are the venereal disease? Venereal disease. These are gonorrhea or syphilis. Such diseases are used in treatment of antibiotic or penicillin, amoxicillin, ampicillin. They are used. Venereal disease as the gonorrhea and syphilis. Penicillin G is commonly used in the treatment of, it is used in treatment of actinomycosis. Actinomycosis, the infection is caused by actinomyces inflammation. Likely to be the respiration tract. That is called the actinomyces. It is used in treatment of fever, typhoid. Commonly use of the typhoid fever. Temperature ana, jana, badna, up and down is take place. They are used in treatment of typhoid. Penicillin, it is used in treatment of urinary tract infection. Urinary tract infection are used is caused by the E. coli. Infection of the E. coli and E. aerogenes bacteria. They are used the ampicillin. Anthrax, it is penicillin used in treatment of anthrax. Is a, I think so, is the 90s. Anthrax disease is due to present in the meat of sheep. बोलते ना मटन में वो एंथ्रेक्स आए तो टेम्परेचर होता, आदमी मर जाता. 90s में आया था एंथ्रेक्स दैट टाइम. These are used in treatment of anthrax. Use penicillin G. Penicillin G are used in treatment of respiratory tract infection. Tract infections. Okay. The penicillin are used so many type of the infections. Okay. Now this over.